Next.js 15 is here. Building on React 19, it's packed with powerful updates for performance and developer joy. Let's go.
Full React 19 support. Embrace server actions. The new React compiler, experimental, and hooks like use. Action state for cleaner, faster components. Turbopack is now stable for Nextjs for lightning-fast local development. And next build, Turbopack Alpha, brings that speed to production builds. Major caching update. Fetch and get root handlers are not cached by default. You now have explicit granular control over data freshness. Introducing Next Form. Supercharge HTML forms with client-side navigation, prefetching, and progressive enhancement. No complex setup needed. Partial pre-rendering continues to evolve. Deliver instant static shells with dynamic content streaming in, significantly boosting perceived performance. Enhanced DX. Use TypeScript for Next.config. Enjoy redesigned error UIs with better stack traces, and see route types with the static route indicator. New unstable after API. Execute tasks like logging or analytics after the response is sent without blocking the user. Better debugging. Improved hydration errors pinpoint issues, and new client instrumentation hooks allow for earlier monitoring and analytics setup. Enhanced security for server actions with unguessable IDs. Plus, more control over cache control headers for optimized, self-hosted deployments. Smooth upgrades. The @Next CodeMod CLI helps automate updating your project to Next.js 15 and React 19, simplifying migration. Ready for the next level of web development? Upgrade to Next.js 15 and build faster, more resilient applications today.
Next.js 15 is here. Building on React 19, it's packed with powerful updates for performance and developer joy. Let's go.